my name is Pragiti Jamnan. I study in grade 1. My school name is Rupi National School. Today I am going to tell about nouns, adjectives and action words. Noun is a name of person, place, things and animals. Adjectives describe the noun. Action word is doing word. Here I have some words. I am going to read it. Home. Home is a place. Home goes to noun. Scientist. Scientist is a person. Scientist goes to noun. Teacher. Teacher is a person. Teacher goes to noun. Handsome. Handsome describe the noun. Handsome goes to adjectives. Rupees is good. Rupees is good is praise. Rupees is good goes to noun. King. King is a person. King goes to noun. Sing. Sing is a doing word. Sing goes to action word. Sweet. Sweet describes the noun. Sweet goes to adjectives. Dance. Dance is a doing word. Dying goes to action word. Gorgeous. Gorgeous describe the noun. Gorgeous goes to adjectives. Train. Train is a thing. Train goes to noun. Good. Good describes the noun. Good goes to adjectives. Jew. Jew is a place. Jew goes to noun. Red. Red is a red describes the noun. Red goes to adjectives. Temper. Temper is a place. Temper goes to noun. Jump. Jump is a doing word. Jump goes to action word. Smart. Smart describes the noun. Smart goes to adjectives.
Amazing.
Amazing. Amazing describes the noun. Amazing goes to adjectives. Strong. Strong describes the noun. Strong goes to adjectives. Right. Right is a doing word. Right goes to action word. Cook. Cook is a doing word. Cook goes to action word. Tiger is a animal. Tiger goes to noun. Read. Read is a doing word. Read goes to action word. Big. Big describes the noun. Big goes to adjectives. Nepal. Nepal is a place. Nepal goes to noun. Pray. Pray is an action word. Pray goes to action word. Sleep. Sleep is a doing word. Sleep goes to action word. Dog. Dog is an animal. Dog goes to noun. Eat. Eat is a doing word. Eat goes to action word. Genius. Genius describes the noun. Genius goes to adjectives. Court. Court describes the noun. Court goes to adjectives. Father. Father is a person. Father goes to noun. Run. Run is a doing word. Run goes to action word. Jump. Jump is a doing word. Jump goes to action word. Now one last.